Alright, boys and girls, so I'ma pick which game we should choose. Alright, I'ma pick it. Mindustry, or Miner, Biner, Minecraft, Minecraft, yeah, that one. Since I forgot the names of them, and this will take a long time. Alright, back at my house, still alive. To soon make this village alive again. Even though the village always seems live from a far distance, but it ain't. You might be wondering why the crafting table's right there. It's because I felt like it. I felt like putting that crafting table right there. But I gotta get inside really quickly. Oh, geez, some of the blockbuster. Yo, zombie. You don't want to get in my way. I gotta go see tonight. Not in real life, of course, since it's literally not night yet. Welcome to Night of Lollipop. Now let's get to work fixing this. Let's get to fixing this house. It's only I know how to fix this house. But I know where am I gonna find my ores and stuff? You may ask, but I already have my ores ready. And it's a will cave that I think y'all gonna believe that I did not just create. Cause I think that's what happened last time. For almost no views. For the hardest video I tried. And also just got me killed in that video. Almost got all my stuff destroyed on that video. Welcome to Not a Lot. Joe. So many creepy noises. We're only trying to explore. Eggs dessert. That's what every single zombie dead voice has said. Eggs dessert. The reason I'm not getting that iron is because I don't need it right now. When I need it, I thought I was gonna get that iron. Or soda blockbuster. I only heard that on an ad once, and I was like, sound like a good ad. A decent blockbuster. But hey, have you ever ate Wendy's before? To me, it tastes really good. Dude, I'm gonna have to get shot in this mess. Sword, what are you doing? Like, just do we want to play around? It's almost like I say, everyone. But I'm probably gonna use this. Yeah, that's good. That's good. This is some good loot. And also, by the way, I stayed up all night. So that's why I'm saying. So that's why I sound like I just woke up. Leave you alone. I'm not looking for blood. I already have tons of that. Alright, some gold. Well, I need to get a horse now. We all know gold does not beat diamond, even though it has some of the best enchants. I learned that from some people. This is not worth it. You're driving to my school now. I'm gonna be there. You're gone this forever. I'm gonna blockbuster. Alright, now it's time to leave. Please be right there, be right. Alright. Alright, I know where my base is gonna be for this. Alright, it's gonna take up myself. This, alright. My phone's gonna have some type of problem, so now it's time to go back to base. Quickly as possible. Alright, and that.